My name's Graeme I had cataract surgery with Mr. Mantry at Vision Scotland. I was type 2 diabetic. I got diagnosed last year in March, and since then, from March onwards, my vision got progressively worse. To the point my prescription changed 5 times within less than a year. And then it came to a point in mid-December, I was completely blind. It started with my right eye and then my left eye followed suit. Everything was just a thick, dense fog. I couldn't walk anywhere and had to be guided anywhere I was going. I came to Vision Scotland because I've heard great things about them, and most importantly, I wanted to see again. And reading the reviews, hearing from people about Vision Scotland, I knew to come here. My consultation, it was nerve-wracking to begin with. Obviously, I couldn't see, but every single member of staff was so helpful. I was guided to the rooms I had to be in. They were so lovely talking to me, asking things about me, and it was seamless. The whole consultation was seamless. The day of surgery at Vision Scotland was interesting. I was nervous to begin with, and then waiting in the waiting room, I managed to calm myself down. You had a beautiful recliner seat so you can just get comfy and relax and chill before your procedure. And then into the main event, it was interesting. My anxiety shot through the roof because once again I had to be guided into the theatre, get told where the bed was to lie down, see what angle I had to be at, and then just had to wait until the surgery started. When the first 5 minutes, my anxiety was kinda through the roof, but after that, plain sailing, couldn't do enough for me. I had amazing folk looking out for me, and it was a breeze after that. After the procedure, Mr. Mantry asked me one question that was just to check what time it was, and without hesitation I told him the correct time. And it took a split second to think, oh my God, I could see again. And then that's when I was elated, happy, like I didn't even believe it at first, because like, did I really just tell that time? The recovery process, it was quite intense to begin with all the different medication to help get things back to normal. But after the first day it was pretty straightforward. With the right care that I received at Vision Scotland, I would say pain-free the very next day. Very next day, didn't need painkillers or nothing, just followed on with what they recommended, the drops they gave me, and took it fairly well. Since I've came to Vision Scotland, my life's changed dramatically. Like, I went from being blind, no confidence, lost all self of who I was, to instantly being back to who I was. My confidence just grew, I felt myself again, and I'm happier. What surprised me was how quick I could see again, and the relief that came with that. It took a while to comprehend what was happening. I was not all over the place, but I was like, I can see again. How is that possible? I've put up with that for a good while, and all of a sudden I can see. After the shock of seeing again, I was elated. I could see people who've been talking to me and they were just a shadow figure, and it was so nice to put names to faces. My experience at Vision Scotland has nothing short but been amazing. 10 out of 10, as I said before, no one can do enough for you in here. You get treated so well. And everybody, and I mean everybody, is looking after you. Even the reception staff's looking after you, the clinicians are looking after you, even the surgeons are looking after you. You cannot go wrong in here. I would do it again in a heartbeat.